Teradata Parallel Transporter, TPT, is a Teradata tools and utility product. Teradata TPT offers under one roof an SQL-like scripting language that simplifies the syntax of the old Teradata utilities for handling external data, example, fast load, multi-load, tpump, btech, and fast export. A classic approach to perform a database-to-database table copy across two systems is to export the table into a file, transfer the file to the target system, and import it into an empty table in the target system. The latest versions of the Teradata Parallel Transporter tool support operator templates, example, $load and $insert, further simplifying tbuild scripts and reducing implementation and debugging times. A mostly overlooked tool in the TPT arsenal is tdload. Compare the shown one-liner to copy a table from one system to another with any fast load or TPT script you manually maintain. The command line options are self-explaining, and tdload help provides additional details. In principle, tdload takes the source system, which is the IP address or fully qualified domain name, logon user and password, database, and table to copy to the respective targets. It acts as a wrapper to tbuild, passing the correct variables and operator templates, simplifying implementation, and saving debug effort. The tool checks the target table contents and transparently decides to perform a bulk load, example, apply a $load operator, or a transactional one, example, apply a $update operator. Then, it generates an appropriate tbuild script and executes it. I will show you both cases now on my two Teradata systems. First, I connect to both Teradata systems. Both systems are identical and there is the database DWH Pro as well as a test table table 1 that we will use. On the target Teradata, I delete the table so that I can show both the fast load case and the multi-load case. Let's start with the fast load example. As you can see, TPT uses the $load operator, which means a fast load is executed on the target system. This is possible because the target table is empty. Let's wait a bit until the load is done. I sped up the video at this point. But as you can see, about 2 minutes have passed from start to finish. Let's run the same statement again now. There is already data in the target table. So TPT uses the $update operator or a multi-load, as you can see. This is the elegant part of this solution. TPT automatically takes care of using the most efficient method. We wait a bit until the load is through. As you can see, it took considerably longer this time, about 9 minutes. As you know, the fast load is much more efficient, hence the difference. Suppose you are in a shared host environment, where many users might watch command execution. In that case, you can maintain all sensitive information in a job variables file and use the tdload -v jobvars.txt syntax instead. If you want to save and see the script that tdload generates for tbuild, add the -s option to the tdload call. The generated scripts are kept in the job log directory for further inspection and customization. A tbuild command can readily use them. The tdload tool can prove helpful in another usage scenario, table copy across the same system but different databases with different usernames and passwords. The typical approach is to export from one database to a file and then import it to the second database. This file-based interaction can be avoided, as TD-load can connect concurrently to the two databases with two different usernames and passwords. The source TDP ID and target TDP ID are now identical. This brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave us a like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive regular updates about our latest videos. If you have any questions about the content of this video or anything else you want to tell us, leave us a comment below. I also recommend you visit our website www.dwhpro.com, where you can study countless articles about Teradata for free. See you soon.